meteorologist Dennis Reed. It looks like the first out there today with plenty of sunshine. 70s, even close to 80 degrees down south of us. We can see 75 degrees in Baltimore. Look at 74 in Salisbury, 72 in Hagerstown. Back to the rest of us, and hopefully looking at 72 degrees, 78 in Fredericksburg. So definitely some warm temperatures out. You fair weather people, let's go. Coming up out of the south, it's definitely close to the light breeze, and it's a typical wind out there. It's about 10 to 15 miles per hour, 14 mile an hour winds in Baltimore, looking at DC, back in Hagerstown, 14, and just helping bring in that warmer air. As you see that change, we have changes that are